Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into something truly special, a van that redefines what luxury on wheels really means. We're talking about the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz V-Class, specifically the Vito VIP Edition, dressed in a stunning black finish that looks more like a rolling executive lounge than a traditional van. Now, if you've always thought of vans as purely practical, family-friendly haulers or business shuttles, get ready to have your mind completely changed. Mercedes has taken this platform, refined it, packed it with comfort and performance, and created a vehicle that caters to luxury travelers, high-end business executives, and even families that want nothing but the very best. In this video, we're going to explore every single detail that makes the 2026 Mercedes-Benz V-Class/Vito VIP Edition so remarkable. We'll look at its elegant exterior design, the breathtaking interior that feels like a private jet on wheels, its performance that goes far beyond what you'd expect from a van, and finally, the pricing and what kind of value it delivers in today's luxury automotive market. Whether you're someone considering this van for personal use, business chauffeuring, or simply a fan of luxury vehicles, stick with me until the end, because this black beauty deserves your full attention. Exterior. The first impression of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz V-Class/Vito VIP Edition in black is one of commanding presence. Parked on the street or pulling up in front of a luxury hotel, it doesn't just blend in, it dominates the scene. The black finish is deep, glossy, and perfectly highlights the subtle body lines that Mercedes has crafted. This is not a boxy van with no identity. Instead, it has a sleek, premium look with the design DNA you'd expect from Mercedes-Benz sedans and SUVs, now translated onto a van body. At the front, you'll immediately notice the bold grille with the signature Mercedes three-pointed star sitting proudly at the center. The grille design has been updated for 2026 with more chrome accents and a refined mesh pattern, which gives it a strong executive feel. Flanking the grille are sleek LED digital headlights, which not only provide crystal-clear visibility at night but also add a modern, futuristic glow to the face of the van. These headlights adjust automatically depending on traffic and road conditions, making nighttime driving safer and more sophisticated. Moving to the side profile, the black paint creates a smooth, uninterrupted flow that complements the long wheelbase. The large windows are tinted for privacy, which is crucial for the VIP clientele this van often carries. The chrome strip that runs along the lower beltline adds just the right amount of contrast against the dark bodywork. Mercedes has also upgraded the wheels for the VIP edition, giving it stylish 19, or even 20-inch alloy wheels with a polished multi-spoke design that enhances the premium look. The proportions are balanced, with sliding doors on both sides that open seamlessly for easy passenger entry. At the rear, the taillights are now slimmer and sharper, with LED graphics that echo the design of Mercedes luxury sedans. The tailgate is powered, of course, and the overall shape is clean, with no clutter, just that bold Mercedes logo and subtle V-Class badging. In black, this van really takes on a discreet but powerful aesthetic, perfect for those who want luxury without being too flashy. Interior. Step inside, and this is where the 2026 V-Class/Vito VIP Edition completely sets itself apart. The cabin feels less like a van and more like a high-end lounge or the interior of a business-class private jet. Mercedes has spared no expense in making this van a sanctuary for its passengers. The black exterior opens up to an interior that can be tailored in multiple premium trims, including Napa leather seating with diamond stitching, real wood inlays, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting that stretches across the cabin. The VIP edition is designed for executive transport, which means the rear seating is the star of the show. You get individual captain's chairs that recline fully, complete with leg rests, massage functions, heating, cooling, and memory settings. These seats are some of the most comfortable you'll find in any vehicle, giving passengers the ability to relax, work, or even sleep in total comfort. Between the seats, you'll often find a center console with a built-in refrigerator, fold-out tables for laptops or meals, and multiple charging options including USB-C, wireless charging pads, and even HDMI inputs for entertainment systems. The rear cabin is equipped with a large entertainment screen, premium surround sound from Burmester, and full climate control settings that can be independently adjusted. Privacy is another highlight here, thanks to tinted glass, electric blinds, and acoustic insulation that makes the cabin whisper quiet. This is why many VIPs, executives, and luxury travelers choose this van. It gives them the ability to retreat from the outside world while on the move. In the driver's area, the V-Class VIP Edition is equally impressive. The driver gets a fully digital cockpit with the latest MBUX infotainment system, voice assistant, augmented reality navigation, and a large touchscreen that integrates seamlessly with smartphones. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped with touch-sensitive controls, and the driving position is high, giving excellent visibility. The overall interior quality is top-tier, everything feels solid, refined, and luxurious. The flexibility of the cabin layout also makes it practical. Whether you want a 4-seat lounge setup, a 6-seat family arrangement, or a shuttle-style layout, Mercedes offers customization to match your needs. This adaptability is one of the biggest strengths of the V-Class platform. Performance. Now, let's talk about something you might not immediately expect from a luxury van: performance. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz V-Class/Vito VIP Edition is not just about comfort, it's engineered to deliver smooth, powerful, and confident driving dynamics. Under the hood, Mercedes offers a range of engine options, including advanced turbocharged petrol and diesel engines, as well as a plug-in hybrid variant for those looking at greener mobility. The most popular engine for this model is the 2.0-liter turbo diesel, producing around 230 horsepower and delivering excellent torque for effortless acceleration, even when the van is fully loaded with passengers and luggage. For those who prefer petrol, the 2.0-liter turbocharged engine provides similar output with refined smoothness. The plug-in hybrid version, on the other hand, combines an electric motor with a petrol engine, giving up to 50 miles of pure electric range, perfect for city commutes in zero-emission zones. Power is delivered through a 9-speed automatic transmission that shifts seamlessly, and the van is available with rear-wheel drive or Mercedes 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, depending on the configuration. The ride quality is superb thanks to adaptive suspension that absorbs bumps and ensures passengers always feel like they're gliding along, even on rougher roads. Despite its size, the V-Class handles remarkably well. The steering is precise, and the turning circle is tighter than you'd expect, which makes it surprisingly maneuverable in city environments. On the highway, it cruises effortlessly, keeping noise levels low and comfort levels high. Safety is another area where this van excels. Mercedes has packed it with the latest driver assist technologies, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, autonomous emergency braking, and even semi-autonomous driving features. These systems not only make driving easier for the chauffeur but also ensure the safety of everyone inside. So, while it's not built to race, the V-Class VIP Edition has more than enough power and refinement to make every journey smooth, relaxed, and dependable. Prices. Now, let's get to the part that many of you are probably curious about: the pricing. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz V-Class/Vito VIP Edition doesn't come cheap, but that's expected when you're dealing with this level of luxury and customization. The standard V-Class starts around $75,000 in international markets, but the VIP Edition takes things to a whole new level. With all the luxury upgrades, executive seating, and custom interior options, you're looking at a starting price of roughly $110,000 to $120,000. However, depending on how far you go with customization, such as adding advanced entertainment systems, bespoke interior materials, or full VIP business class setups, the price can easily climb past $150,000. For many buyers, though, this is not just a van, it's an investment in mobility luxury. When compared to buying a limousine or SUV for executive transport, the V-Class offers far more interior space, flexibility, and privacy, making it well worth the price for its target audience. Mercedes has positioned this vehicle for a niche market: high-end families, business executives, hotels, airports, and VIP transportation companies. If you fall into any of these categories, the value becomes clear. You're essentially getting a moving luxury suite that combines style, comfort, and practicality. So there you have it, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz V-Class/Vito VIP Edition in black. A vehicle that completely transforms the way we think about vans. From its bold and elegant exterior design to its opulent interior that rivals private jets, to the smooth and refined performance that makes every journey effortless, this van truly stands in a league of its own. It's not just transportation. It's an experience, a statement, and a reflection of Mercedes-Benz's mastery of blending luxury with practicality. If you're someone who values comfort, exclusivity, and presence on the road, then the V-Class VIP Edition is undoubtedly one of the finest options available in 2026. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about this luxury van? Do you see it as the ultimate family and business vehicle, or would you prefer a more traditional SUV or sedan for luxury travel? Drop your comments below and let's get a conversation going. And of course, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, this is your host signing off, and I'll see you in the next review.